Ayesha, I'm really happy with your improvement. You speak very confidently now. How do you feel when you speak English?
Thank you, sir. I feel better than before. At first, I was shy and scared, but now I feel more comfortable.
That's great. Everyone feels shy in the beginning. The more you practice, the more confident you become.
Yes, sir. I think so too. When I speak more, I learn more.
Exactly. Speaking is the best way to learn any language. Reading and writing are important, but speaking helps you use what you learn.
Sir, sometimes I understand English, but I cannot speak quickly. What should I do?
That's a very good question, Ayesha. It happens to many students. You can improve by practicing small conversations every day. For example, talk about your day, your plans, or your favorite things, even if you talk to yourself in English.
Talk to myself?
Yes, Ayesha. For example, when you wake up, you can say, "Now I am brushing my teeth," or "I am getting ready for school." It helps your brain think in English.
Oh, I understand. I will try this.
Good! You can also watch cartoons, movies, or YouTube videos with subtitles. Listen carefully to how people speak and try to copy their pronunciation.
Yes, sir. I watch English cartoons like Dora the Explorer and Peppa Pig.
That's excellent! Those shows are great for learning simple and clear English.
I also like to repeat the sentences after them.
Perfect. That's called shadowing. It's a very good exercise.
Sir, sometimes I feel nervous when I speak in front of other people.
That's normal, Ayesha. Everyone feels nervous at first. Do you know what helps? Practice in front of a mirror. Look at yourself, smile, and speak slowly and clearly.
In front of a mirror?
Yes, Ayesha. It helps you see your facial expressions and builds your confidence.
Okay, sir. I will try it.
Good girl. Also, don't worry about making mistakes. Mistakes are part of learning.
Yes, sir. I remember you said that before. Don't be afraid of mistakes.
Exactly. The important thing is to learn from them and keep moving forward.
Sometimes when I make a mistake, my friends laugh. Then I feel bad.
I understand, Ayesha, but remember, when they laugh, you smile too, because you are learning something they don't know. One day, you will speak better than them.
Thank you, sir. I will remember that.
Good. Always stay positive. Now, tell me, how do you practice English at home?
Sir, I read my English book loudly. I write short paragraphs about my day. I also try to talk to my younger brother in English.
That's wonderful. Reading aloud helps your pronunciation, and writing helps you think in English. Talking with your brother is also very good practice.
Yes, sir. Sometimes he laughs, but I tell him to speak in English too.
That's great teamwork. Keep encouraging him.
Sir, can you tell me some easy ways to learn new words?
Of course. Here are a few simple tips. Keep a small notebook for new words. Write each new word with its meaning and one example sentence. Try to use the new word in your daily conversation. Revise your words every night before sleeping.
Oh, yes, sir. That will help me remember them.
Yes, Ayesha. Learning English is like watering a plant. If you give a little water every day, the plant grows strong.
Wow, sir. I like that example. I will water my English plant every day.
That's the spirit.
Sir, sometimes I don't understand the pronunciation of some words. What can I do?
You can use a dictionary app or Google Translate to hear the pronunciation. Also, when you listen to songs, focus on how words sound. Repeat them aloud.
Okay, sir. I will do that.
Good. You are already doing very well, Ayesha. Just keep practicing regularly.
Thank you, sir. You always encourage me.
Because you deserve it. You work hard and have a positive attitude. That's the key to success.
Sir, I want to speak English fluently one day, like native speakers.
You will, Ayesha. It takes time, but step by step, you will reach there. Speak every day. Read a lot. Listen carefully and never stop learning.
Thank you, sir. I will never stop learning.
That's what I love to hear. Now, tell me, what is your dream for the future, Ayesha?
Sir, I want to become a good English teacher. I want to teach children how to speak confidently, like you teach me.
That's a wonderful dream, Ayesha. And I'm sure one day you will stand in front of your own students and inspire them.
Thank you so much, sir. Your words make me very happy.
Always believe in yourself. You are smart, kind, and hardworking. These qualities will take you far.
Thank you, sir. You are my favorite teacher.
Thank you, Ayesha. It makes me happy to hear that. You are one of my best students.
Sir, can I ask one last question?
Of course. Go ahead.
What should I do every day to become better at English?
That's an excellent question. Here's a simple plan for you. Read something in English for 10 minutes daily. A story, article, or short paragraph. Listen to English songs or videos and try to repeat sentences. Speak in English for at least 5 minutes a day, even if it's just to yourself. Write 5 new sentences every day using new words. Review what you learned before sleeping.
Wow, sir. I will follow this plan daily.
If you follow it regularly, your English will improve quickly.
I will try my best.
Good. Remember, learning English is not about being perfect. It's about progress, one step at a time.
Yes, sir. I understand. I will take small steps every day.
Excellent, Ayesha. I'm very proud of you.
Thank you, sir. I feel more confident now.
That's the best thing a teacher can hear. Keep shining, Ayesha, and never stop learning.
I will never stop learning, sir. Thank you for everything.
You're welcome, Ayesha. Now, go and practice your English. And remember, every word you speak brings you closer to success.
Yes, sir. I will practice daily. Thank you once again.
You're most welcome. Have a nice day, Ayesha.
You too, sir. Goodbye.
Goodbye, Ayesha. Keep learning and keep smiling.